You may have heard that New York City is gonna get slammed with 30 inches of snow. Where'd you hear that? Facebook? Hey guys, I'm Andrew Dymburt for Buzz60. A rumor about a blizzard of epic proportions coming to NYC went viral on social media. Somebody reposted a link to this Gawker article from a year ago, which was then shared dozens of times with people not bothering to check the date. Spoiler alert, it's not going to snow 30 inches. Have you heard that there's supposed to be 30 inches of snow this weekend?
Yes, I did.
I actually heard like 24, 2 feet.
24 inches of snow. Come on, New Yorkers, we can't all have fallen for it. Have you heard that there's gonna be 30 inches of snow this weekend?
No! Holy
No one seemed surprised. It was just a big, fat social media lie. And especially this guy.
Well, I mean, people on Facebook are pretty much idiots anyway.
I think that's what social media does. Once a rumor gets out there, then I think it extends.
I guess they're all crazy. That's what social media does to people these days.
30 inches of snow.
Well, I didn't believe it to begin with.
Yeah, that's what they all say. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.